Magprito ako kay Tata, guys. Dahil ayaw na nito. Ayaw na nitong food na to. Yan akin ito isa. Just only one fried potato. So ito naman is salt. Salt lang. Okay naman. So here's the salt. The rest is going to siyang fried fish, fried salmon. Because my husband don't eat with soup, so separate. So I do like this salmon fried. The other one. Oh, be careful with the corn, with the bones. That's it. Of course, clean as you go. Kailangan mo na, guys, na tatay here again. Susuwi pagkita ka kuman. Yung timing ni si tata. Usay mag-overtime. Usay, wa. Hindi na pablihan. Bahala siya. Hindi na pablihan. Toto! Why you not overtime? I have something to do. I made the tuna fry for you, and mine is, of course, guys, di mawawala ang what is the pasalubong. Bread is life. So bread is life in Croatia, and Filipino must be susi ka lang sa sabaw. So isa lang ang nilagay ko, guys. Other side. May dami pa akong fish. Fried. Prito, isda. Ano ang pinaprito ko paggabi nito? I forgot. So that's it. So magprito tayo sa ating jusawa dito. Pinrito ko paggabi. What is this? Oh. It's a lot of food from yesterday. I forgot. Ano pala to? The beef loaf. So, should be the sinigang na salmon and fried na salmon with a lot of vegetables. Natagabutang 10 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. Sweet salmon, prito ko to, and maraming spices and vegetables from garden. And here's the salmon here, and here mag-fry ako, guys. And I still have the